Alright. I got in off my bus run today and just kind of glanced over at my White International and noticed oil down inside the outer rim on the wheel. And I felt off it and smelled it, and it's gear oil. And I don't know where it's coming from. And I don't know why it's just done it all of a sudden. But you can see there's oil there, and there's oil back in between the wheels, sitting inside of here where the wheels go. I don't see any draining to the outside on the inside of the drum, but I hope it's not getting on my brakes. I don't know. It's the first time it's sat out in the cold since I've had it, or it's been working on the bus and things. Been sitting here several days. I don't know if it has something to do with that or what is going on, but I'm not happy about it. My seat don't have any air in it, so I'm sitting plumb on the floor. And that's the first start in several days, well, a couple weeks I guess, and it's been cold. It's warmer today. Truck starts good. I just hope that leak ain't nothing major. Hope we don't have to replace wheel bearings. Big thing. I hope we don't have to pull the axle out of it. But I'm afraid that I got a seal bad. I don't know. I don't know if these hubs have a drain in them. That's what I'm curious. If they've got a drain plug, it maybe could have come loose. We'll get pulled in the shop and see. Well, all I know to do is try pulling these wheels off and give her a good look. See, you might have to pull the drum and stuff too. Now, left hand threads. Oh boy, here we go again. I've got to have a bigger intake. That's all there are to it with having this junk. Need a bigger intake. Instead, I might be battery or get a better air compressor. One of the two. What happens, this thing's got more reverse torque than it does forward, and on these left-hand lug nuts, you don't have your reverse torque. don't know if I'm gonna be able to get it loose. I have to try something else. Alright. Pays to check the setting on the battery impact. Make sure it's on the highest setting before you give up on it, because the air impact took it off pretty easy. So I thought, well, something's wrong. And I looked, it was on setting 2 instead of 3. So that probably made a difference. I'm gonna go ahead and use the air one while I got it hooked up. Makes all the difference in the world when you got it on the full strength. Now, before I take that inner wheel off, I'm going to give it a good check over. Can't really see much. Can't see much. Have not been off since I've had it, and this wheel hasn't. And I'd say them was put on with a big impact, probably 1 inch. Man, throw a little heat to them. I can't figure out where that oil could be coming from to where it shows up on this side. Don't make any sense. PB Blaster. It's some good stuff. curious if I had a 3/4 drive impact and got rid of that slot from the extension, from the adapter, if I'd have more strength. I think this one and the 3/4 are the same gun, with the exception of the end itself. But that would eliminate all that slot and give you more hammer strength. Oh, I love his tire dolly. Whoop. About lost. That was a disaster. What did I do wrong? Didn't have it on the thing right. I want to be somebody one of these days, maybe. Well, inner hub seal's bad, and I bet I ain't got a socket big enough to take this axle nut out. And the big oil. I don't want to drain the whole rear end. I'm just going to catch the oil that comes out of this end up here. First time pulling one of these out. On a big truck. Hard part's getting them back in, I think. Getting them splined up. Because you gotta pull your whole axle out. Well, got my finger stuck. Let me get a rag. There's your drive axle. I would have thought that would have had a seal. I guess it. I don't know if it don't look like it's had any kind of a seal. Maybe it don't. Maybe it don't seal like that. I ought to have a little paper gasket all the time is what I was thinking. Now, big old axle nut. I know I ain't got nothing to fit that, I don't think. I have to measure it and buy me one. See there, big old socket. Alright, I'm gonna have to get me I think it's a 3.5 inch axle nut socket if you measure crossways on the flats. I don't have one. Pull that hub off and Pretty sure the inner seal's bad, but I want to check my bearings too before I order anything and get everything I need. I'll probably go ahead and get the stuff for the other side as well if it's not crazy expensive, just to have it, because it'll end up needing it one of these days, I got a feeling. But getting to this point ain't been too bad. Hopefully we can get it tore down, put back, and find the parts without much issue. But one of them deals I wasn't planning on doing this. I was planning on greasing the bus and changing oil filters, and well, changing the fuel filters. I think I got one I need to do that with. I don't have an oil filter for that one. But yeah, that ain't happening. So I guess we'll catch back with you later. I might just go ahead and put this out as a video and finish it out on the next one. But we'll catch you later. If you will, please like, subscribe, and comment. And hopefully this don't cost too much.